For decades, competitive strategy has been all about manual labor, long hours, and frankly, a lot of best guesses. But what if an AI could do the work of a top-tier consultant, but in just a matter of minutes? Well, that's the big promise of Sentinel, an AI platform we're going to break down today.
And that right there is the core idea behind Sentinel. And it's a powerful one. It signals this huge shift away from just tedious data collection and toward high-level actual decision-making. But to really get why this is such a game changer, we have to understand the problem it's trying to solve first. And this gets to the heart of what's often called the manual grind. That slow, super frustrating process of trying to piece together a clear picture of your competitors from this massive ocean of online noise. It's a huge bottleneck that really keeps businesses from getting ahead of the curve. And here's where you can actually put some hard numbers to that pain. Analysts are spending over 20 hours a week. That's half their job, just doing research. 40% of a senior analyst time is spent just collecting data, not actually analyzing it. And what's the result of all that? Well, you get inconsistent analysis, insights that are days late, and it becomes basically impossible to effectively track more than a handful of rivals at one time. So how do you combat that kind of inefficiency? Well, that's where Sentinel comes in. And it's not just another tool. It's really positioned as an AI teammate, an autonomous system that's designed to take on the entire workflow of a strategy consultant. So that brings us to this key definition, an agentic AI orchestrator. I know, it sounds a little complex, but the idea is actually pretty simple. Instead of having one giant AI trying to do everything at once, Sentinel acts more like a project manager or an orchestrator who directs a whole team of specialized AIs, or agents, where each one has a very specific job to do.
So what does this team of AI agents actually do? Well, their mission is to autonomously hunt for real-time data, scrape only the most important intelligence, perform deep strategic analysis like a full SWOT, and this is the really crucial part, quantify abstract ideas like brand power into actual hard numbers. It literally turns messy web data into clean, actionable strategy.
Okay, so how does this chain of AI agents actually work together to produce a full strategic report from just a single question? Let's pop the hood and get into the nuts and bolts of the technology. The process is broken down into 5 distinct steps, handled by 5 specialized agents. You can think of it almost like an assembly line for strategy. You've got the rooter, the hunter, the scraper, the analyst, and the reporter. Each one does its job, then hands off its work to the next, creating this seamless flow from question to answer. First up is the router, and its nickname is the traffic controller. Its whole job is to understand your request, something like analyze Tesla's EV strategy, and then figure out who the target is and what kind of search terms are going to get the best results. It's basically the mission planner. So once the plan is set, the router passes it along to the hunter, or the investigator. This agent is the one that goes out into the live web using Google search to find the most relevant sources. We're talking pricing pages, official press releases, changelogs. It's the field operative out there gathering the raw intel. Now, the hunter brings back a ton of raw HTML, and it's full of junk, ads, noise, all sorts of stuff. That's where the scraper, the extractor, comes in. Its one and only purpose is to clean all of that up, ingesting the mess and producing a dense fact sheet of pure, high-signal information for the next agent in line. Now, this is the brain of the operation, the analyst agent, aka the strategist. It takes that clean fact sheet and performs a full 360-degree SWOT analysis. But here's the key. It doesn't just list a bunch of facts. It actually assigns scores from 0 to 100 to abstract concepts based on the evidence it found. And finally, we have the reporter, the closer. This agent takes all of that deep analysis, all the scores and insights, and it compiles them into a polished C-level executive report in Markdown. It's the final presentation, totally ready for human eyes. So that's the process, right? An elegant assembly line for strategy. But what are the results? What's the tangible, real-world business impact of automating strategy this way? Well, the first major impact is just pure speed. Sentinel delivers a whopping 95% reduction in research time. A process that used to take days of manual work can now be done in minutes. This completely changes what it means to be agile in a competitive market. And with that kind of speed comes massive efficiency. The platform delivers a 60% decrease in the costs that are usually associated with competitive analysis. So you're not just getting insights faster, you're freeing up budget and, more importantly, your top strategic minds to do higher-level work.
But Sentinel doesn't just give you a wall of text. It's designed to help you see the strategy. The dashboard uses these cool radar charts to give you an instant fingerprint of a company's focus, high-contrast scoring cards for quick reads, and a classic SWOT grid that makes it super easy to compare things. Then there's this feature they call Battle Mode, which lets you put any two reports head-to-head. It literally overlays their strategy radar charts so you can immediately spot gaps and advantages. It even gives you a tail of the tape with direct metric comparisons and an AI verdict on who has the edge. It's pretty cool. And the analysis doesn't even stop with the report. You can actually talk to your data. There's a context-aware chat feature that knows everything in the report it just generated, and it has live web access. That means you can ask deep follow-up questions and get an informed answer, just like that. So, when you put all of this together, it becomes really clear that tools like Sentinel are more than just an efficiency gain. They're pointing toward a fundamental shift in what it even means to be a strategist here in the age of AI. And that leaves us with this final, really crucial question. If an AI can handle the hunting, the analyzing, and the reporting, well, the human's role has to evolve, right? The strategist of the future is no longer the person who finds the answers. They're the one who asks the most creative and courageous questions, guiding their AI teammate to uncover unseen opportunities and turning all those automated insights into real winning decisions.